Let's begin by settling into a position that feels supportive for your body. You might choose to sit upright, lean back, lie down, or even stand. There's no right posture, only what feels safe and sustainable to you right now. If it feels comfortable, you might allow your eyes to close, or you may prefer to keep them open with a soft, unfocused gaze. And take a moment to notice the contact between your body and the surfaces supporting you, the chair, the floor, the cushion. Allow yourself to feel held. If at any point you feel uncomfortable, you're welcome to adjust your position, open your eyes, or shift your attention to something else in the room. You are in charge of this experience. And now gently bring awareness to the body as a whole. Not trying to change anything, not trying to relax, just noticing what's already here. You might sense some areas of tension, areas of ease, or perhaps very little at all, and all of this is completely okay. Now we will begin to explore the breath as an anchor, and there's nothing you need to do to control your breathing. Simply allow the body to breathe itself. Notice where the breath is most apparent to you right now. It might be in the nostrils, the chest, the belly, the throat, or simply as a general sense of movement in the body. Choose one place to rest your attention, like placing your hand gently on a railing. If the breath feels uncomfortable or difficult to notice, you might instead rest your attention on sounds or the feeling of your feet on the floor. All of these options are welcome. Now simply observe one full inhale and one full exhale, noticing the beginning, the middle, and the end of each breath. You may notice the breath is shallow or deep, smooth or uneven, cool on the inhale, slightly warmer on the exhale. There's no need to evaluate or analyze, just noticing. If it feels supportive, you might silently say to yourself, in, breathing in, out, breathing out, or simply feel the movement without the words. As you continue resting attention on the breath, the mind will likely wander. Thoughts may arise, memories, plans, sounds, sensations, or emotions. This is not a problem. This is simply what minds do. And whenever you notice that your attention has drifted, see if you can gently acknowledge it, naming it, thinking, planning, hearing, or simply wandering. And then, with kindness, guide your attention back to the breath. No need to rush, no need to judge. Each return is the practice. You might imagine returning the way you would guide a child back by the hand, or the way you bring a puppy back to its blanket, gently, patiently, again and again, Nothing harsh is required. If at any point the breath becomes subtle or hard to find, you can expand your awareness to include the whole body breathing, sensing the body rising and falling, softening and releasing. You might also listen to sounds in the room or outside, letting sound be your anchor for just a few moments. Mindfulness is flexible. Now, for the next few breaths, see if you can rest with the simple experience of breathing without adding anything extra. Breathing in, breathing out, allowing the breath to be exactly as it is. You may begin to notice moments of calm or restlessness or boredom or peace or nothing in particular. There is no special state you need to reach. This is simply a time to practice being with what is right here now. If thoughts carry you away for a while, even for most of the meditation, that is okay. The moment you notice is a moment of waking up, an invitation to return back to your anchor. Each time you begin again, you are strengthening the capacity to return. And now gently widen your awareness to include the whole body again, feeling the weight of your body, the contact with the chair of the floor, the space around you, and noticing that the breath continues, whether or not you're actually paying attention to it, finding it steady, quiet, and reliable. And let's take one slightly deeper breath if that feels comfortable. And then let it go. You might begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes, rolling the shoulders, or stretch in any way that feels good. And if your eyes have been closed, you might allow the light to come in gradually, blinking them open when you're ready. And just taking a moment to notice how you feel right now without needing it to be different. And as you move back into the rest of your day, you might remember that the breath is always available as a place to return, a small home you carry with you everywhere, And whenever you notice that you've drifted, you can pause, feel one breath, and begin again.